Dear Sherry, I read that eating mangoes a half hour before you smoke cannabis makes you feel the high more. This seems hard to believe. Is there any truth to this? This is a big question in the cannabis community. Before I get to the answer, I just want to remind you hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Okay, so the story is if you eat mangoes a half hour before you smoke cannabis, you're going to feel the high more profoundly. I'm with you. I found this hard to believe, and I personally have never felt anything from that, but that doesn't necessarily mean anything because everybody reacts differently. So to find out the answer, I went to one of the experts, Dr. Jeffrey Raber of the Workshop, a prominent testing lab. So I asked Dr. Raber, is there anything to this mango thing? And he said, well, maybe. It depends on a lot of factors. It seems to be that there are thousands of strains of mangoes just as there are thousands of strains of cannabis. Now, the thing that makes this legend grow is the fact that cannabis and mangoes share a common terpene, myrcene. So Dr. Raber said if you happen to have a mango strain that is very high in myrcene and a cannabis strain that's high in myrcene, this technically could maybe work. So that's about as conclusive an answer as I can give. If you have the right mango and the right cannabis, then maybe. Personally, I don't think there's much to it. I've never felt anything extra by eating mangoes before ingesting cannabis. But what I have found is this common terpene, myrcene, makes the two a good flavor match. So mango recipes are terrific as far as I'm concerned for edibles just because they're a good flavor match with many cannabis strains. And you can see the links below for lots of mango recipes and more information. Hope this helps. Eat your weed.